guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry about the slanting, my tripod has failed to become leveled. I've tried ways and until I realized I could actually break it, so I decided to leave it like that. So I'm just going to get a new one. So welcome back. Today the video I'm going to be showing you is to show you how I pack my orders going up country. If you're in Uganda and you have any business or clients up country and you don't know how to do it, yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to show you how I pack them securely. One, I use my black Cavera. I could use one or two depending on the quantity of the items. Then I use my salter and my pair of scissors. I'm just going to show you what I do. Then this is my loyal client. She has been with me for about a few months now, and this is yeah, I've been sending her orders up country, but this time I decided to do a video to show you how I do it. And yeah, please stay tuned, enjoy. And if you are someone out there and you want me to send you, I do wholesale and retail, so it's not the fancy packing because it's getting on a bus, and sometimes if you do the fancy packing they could ruin it, because remember there is a lot of cargo going in, so they don't really care about your fancy packages. So that's why I use this, and then I put my salt on the top so that it's secure, that you can't even cut through, or okay, you can cut through and it can be seen, but you can't like open and remove something without someone noticing. So that's why I do it like that. And secondly, for it to be secure so that the clothes are not damaged. So I'm sending her 10 dresses in Kitengi, and I have different designs. I'm going to put a slide of the photos showing you which items I sent her. There are maternity dresses, there are airline dresses, there are different kinds of designs, different kind of arms, sleeves, sorry, and necklines. So you're going to be seeing all that. And this is just a reminder, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Get to join the family. Let's show you what we do here. You never know what to expect. We're either learning what to sew or learning something completely different, or learning now about the packaging. Who knew? So yeah, there is a lot to learn from this channel. Please stay tuned, keep the love. Those who have already subscribed, thank you, and please keep coming back. Yeah, so let's get started. So sorority, here we come. Let me start by removing all the items that she needs. There are 10 dresses. So meanwhile, they all have belts and a pocket. I try to put at least one pocket on each and every, unless a customer comes and they request for 2 pockets and they're buying retail. Yeah, I give it a 2 pockets. The only reason as why I put 1 pocket because in most cases the material is not enough. When I buy my full material, it only accommodates a long dress and a short dress. Then, so the side pieces that remain depend. Am I putting sleeves? If I'm not putting sleeves, that means I have more fabric for pockets. But if I'm not, if I'm putting sleeves, that means, yeah, your pockets will be one. So this is the last one. This is a cold shoulder. Like I said, they all have pockets, and they have belts. Each has a belt. So this is just an extra belt. Last time when I was sending her another package, I forgot to send this belt. So that's why I added it in here, so that she can see it. She notified me. So yeah, now she'll be receiving her belt. So yeah, now it's time to pack. So let's get packing. Wow, look at this space. Look at the space that has remained, guys. That means I have so much work to fill it up this week. And yeah, next week I have. So it's going to be a busy week for me. Now I can tell it's going to be a busy one for me, since I have to fill that up. Alright. Our package is ready for sorting. Under the bus pack, they're going to include the contact of the person receiving, contact of the person sending, and where exactly they're to deliver. So yeah, I won't put the contact because they'll have to do that at the bus pack. But that's how I package it. It will be safe and secure. Like, it's really hard. Even if they squish it, they do what. Remember, I put 2 polythene bags. I had to put 2 of them, and they were hard, the hard ones. So yeah, it's safe and secure, and it will reach safely. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far in the video, please don't forget to like, comment on anything you would like to see in my next videos. Yeah, please be in touch with me. You can follow me on Instagram, DM me if you need an order. Make an order. It's coming to Christmas time. Start putting in your orders now. Book your appointment. Come check me out. Come to the shop. Yeah, let's work together. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share our videos. Yes. Alright. Thanks guys for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video.